What is this?
You got to unbox that.
What is it?
So it was a package kindly sent by Sam's Detailing.
Oh.
I'm not too sure what's inside.
I'm excited. That looks fancy. Sam's
it?
beer.
Oh, we've got a free drink.
Low alcohol. Good.
Oh, not good.
Should I open the box?
Yeah.
It says sample kit Sam's Detailing.
Oh.
Oh my god. Snow foam. How do you say that word?
What? Ceramic.
Ceramic wax. Shampoo. Iron reactor. Interior detailer. Ceramic boost. Exterior detailer and glass cleaner. And beer.
So this is my mission today then.
That is cool.
Now usually when I'm doing a quick detail on, or when I clean my cars,
You can probably tell that I stick to Meguiar's a lot.
I've always loved it, especially on black. It brings out the shine so well. So this is going to be a little test to see what it's like compared to Meguiar's. I thought today we would have a bit of a chill out with each other. If you're from anywhere in the world right now, it's very likely that you're on some kind of lockdown. This is really hard to get the right camera angle. As we go through this video, I'm gonna have a nice beer from Sam. So this video is, I don't really know whether to say it's sponsored or not, but basically a few weeks back, Sam's Detailing sent me an email asking if I wanted to collaborate with them. They'll send me a free sample kit, and in return, you know, if I test out my car and I like it, I can then promote it to you guys. Link is in the description if you want to try it out. It's just a sample kit. I think you get a nice discount off of it. All thanks to my guys linking me up and linking you guys up. So in the background, you are going to be seeing me going over my car, whilst here, hello, I'm going to be talking to you guys about what's going on with me, what's going on in the UK, or I should say England. I'm based near Heathrow. I work pretty much at Heathrow. So everyone is or should be staying at home. I think next week we will go into official lockdown, because even driving home from work, I still see people out and about, walking, running. More people than you would have seen a month ago. Like, I've never seen you jogging, mate. You've never jogged, don't kid yourself. I would say, let's start with the beginning of the year. It's the new year, everyone's excited for the new year. I'm excited because I want to sell my Golf. I'm excited because I want to get a new car. At this point in time, I was thinking of getting an R32. So I was sort of saving up for that. I knew I wanted to get a new daily, which is when I bought the Passat. And then, yeah, we started hearing talks of this coronavirus. It was just one of them things, wasn't it? You know, something in China was created, and it's like Ebola. You don't really take it seriously because it's just one of them things that you hear. And it was like that a lot. Everyone was making jokes out of it. It wasn't impacting us until, I would say, 3 weeks ago, when things started getting a bit more serious. Cases in the UK started rising, and the workload at work. I work in import and export, and there was a clear difference in what was coming in, what was not going out. What they decided to do last week was put us, in my department, I work in the warehouse or vault department, bit of office work, bit of warehousing. But yeah, up till last week, well, starting last Monday, it's now on a split shift. So we're doing, half of us, so 3 of us are doing 12 hours a day for 3 days, and then swapping over, the other 3 people will do 12 hours for 3 days. You know, we don't work weekends anyway, but that way it meant that we get, well, we were at work for 3 days, so I was at work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off, and then I'm back for 3 days. And it's gonna go like that for a while, so I've got a lot of free time, a lot of time to get videos made, hopefully. But the whole idea of buying a new car now seems to be vague, because I decided, again, this is why I don't like telling you what I want my next car to be, because I always change my mind, and I was determined it was going to be an R32. Different topic for a different time. So that's where we are today. It's Friday today. I got the day off. I've got up until Monday, and I'm back in Tuesday. So let's get on to the stuff that Sam's Detailing sent me over. So in the box came with obviously a load of sample stuff. I think I only use about half of the products today, because I'm not gonna go and clean the inside of my car again and ceramic coat it, because I've already ceramic coated the car and I really cannot be fucked to do that again. Long progress, but I'm sure these guys have absolutely nailed it with this product, but I'm not going to be trying it on this car anyway. Starting this off with a quick clean of the wheels, I used the, I think it's called the metallic tar, no, I'm going to have to go back and have a look at what the name is. It's going to be on the screen now anyway, so this is what I used. Very similar to the Meguiar's alloy wheel cleaner. It basically, you spray it on a contaminated area, for example the wheels, which get really dirty. Highlights all the dirt, starts eating into it, and then it goes purple, and then it's supposed to make it easier to wash it off, which I actually think it did do a pretty good job. These wheels are dirty as fuck anyway, so right in the crevices and all the dark cracks, there's a lot of black, which you just can't get off. I'm gonna have to get new wheels because it just looks way too dirty. So once the wheels have been covered and cleaned, I have a jet wash, but I don't have a snow foam container or cup to make snow foam. So they do have it in this kit, a nice little snow foam maker, but I couldn't do it with this jet wash. So I just jet washed it, rinsed it all down, and then went over it with the shampoo that they gave me, which smelled amazing. It smelled like blueberries or grapes or something. So I did a few coats of the washing with that, and then after that rinsed it down again. And when it's still wet, the next thing that I tried, it's a ceramic booster. I've never heard of this before, but you're supposed to apply it to wet panels and then instantly rinse it off. What I noticed is that it dries the panels a lot quicker. I think it gets rid of all of the watermarks, so it's not, you know, it runs off like ceramic coating. It's an extra protective layer, but this looks like it was a quick spray it on, wash it off, and now your panels are a bit more resistant to dirt maybe. I could be completely wrong, I'm not a detailer. And as you'll notice going through this video, I use dirty cloths, dirty microfiber towels, the stuff that I use every time I wash the cars, not brand new microfibers. So anyway, after that, that's when I rinsed off the whole car again, and then wiped it down with a microfiber towel. I have to say that the paintwork on it already is atrocious. There's rust on the bonnet, there's so many swirl marks, there's scrapes, rust on one of the doors. So I knew, you know, this little wagon was never going to be a proper detailed out. I thought I'd give it a go, bring out what it can do, and after the rinsing it down and drying it, that's when I applied, I think it's a quick detailer. You spray it on again and then instantly wipe it off on a dry panel this time. And that brings out the last bits. I think after that, that's when you can do the ceramic coating, I think, but that was all I was wanting to do today. And the results, well, I'll go show you the results after this. But yeah, thank you Sam's Detailing once again for sending me this. And if you guys are interested, link is in the description to get yours, to test it out, see what it's like. This is okay. It's actually quite nice. It's not too bad. Yeah, so what's now happening with me and the side of stuff? The plans were obviously to buy a new project car, do some bits on the Passat, which I'm still doing it, still getting coilovers for it. Raceland are going to hit me up at the start or end of April, because the ones that I have in mind, the coilovers that I have in mind for the Passat, I want it to be comfy, and the ones that they've got, they don't have in stock at the moment. I don't know when they're going to be in stock because of this Corona thing. I will be looking for new wheels for it, because them wheels are dirty. I want to get it lowered, and I will eventually be doing something with the chrome front. I think I'm going to either get it wrapped or spray it. I'm thinking either black or like a gunmetal grey. Hopefully match up with the wheels. We'll see. I'll probably get in contact with their wraps again. They said that they'd more than happy be up for the challenge. I want to know what you guys are up to. Where are you from? What's going on with your situation? I know a lot of people have actually lost their jobs because of it. It's fucking horrible. I'd never thought something like this would happen. It's literally like it's from a movie. Not much we can do about it. Stay strong, stay safe, don't go out anywhere. Let me know what you're up to, how you're passing the time. What are you doing? Have you bought a new car? It's coming up, I think, the 10-minute mark. I don't know how long I've been filming for. But I'm gonna head away, head off, start editing this video, get this up. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm sorry this video isn't, you know, exciting. I just wanted to talk to you guys about what's happening on my end. So I will see you guys whenever I see you, when I find something interesting to do. Just wanted to talk with you guys, chill with you really, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Tough. Go on in. Go tough.